Prime Minister may have stressed on the need to tackle corruption, but if Coalition Dharma has anything to go by, the UPA's immediate focus will be on managing its partners. In a very significant move, the DMK was represented today only by one minister. They clearly is sulking. What's not too clear is why Mamta chose to skip the meeting.
Today is the completion of the second year of this UPA 2, but there has been almost a visible crack between the DMK and Congress. How do you want to...
Where is the crack? They are attending.
A short, terse reply from the senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh, trying to play down reports of tension with allies. But the rift with the DMK is difficult to hide.
I am going to attend the dinner, isn't it?
So many ministers are there. Nobody. You are a senior leader, we do know. But is there any signal being
There are a lot of compulsion and they have to go to the constituency for Thanksgiving. That's how the election has been completed. So we have to go for Thanksgiving.
Balu will be the only DMK minister attending the UPA 2 anniversary party. DMK patriarch M. Karunanidhi will be coming to the capital on Monday to meet his daughter in jail, but not to meet the Congress president.
உங்களுக்கும் காங்கிரஸுக்குமான உறவு எப்படி இருக்கு? நீங்க என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்களோ அப்படி இல்லை.
The speculation doesn't end at the DMK. Mamta Banerjee, fresh from her spectacular victory in West Bengal, will be skipping the meet too, sending Sudeep Bandyopadhyay instead. But rumours of a snub have been quickly quelled. A dinner party which celebrates the Prime Minister's 7th year in office, but no real relief from allies, even in UPA 2. Bureau Report, Times Now.